Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni lawyers spar during first court hearing. Lawyers for actors Justin Baldoni and Blake Lively spent their first day in court sparring over the sexual harassment and other allegations that have erupted surrounding their film. It Ends With You. In December, Lively filed a legal complaint against Baldoni, accusing him of sexual harassment and starting a smear campaign against her. Baldoni has denied her claims and in response sued her on various grounds including defamation. The movie co-stars were not required to attend the pretrial meeting at federal court in Manhattan on Monday, but the hour-and-a-half hearing still turned heated as lawyers for each side claimed the other was bad-mouthing their client outside of court. The case is supposed to be resolved here in court, Lively's attorney, Michael Gottlieb, told Jude Lewis-Lyman. It's not supposed to be resolved in the press. Mr. Gottlieb accused Baldoni's lawyer Brian Friedman of making inflammatory extrajudicial comments about Lively's character and motives during appearances on news channels. In response, Mr. Friedman said Mr. Gottlieb was trying to impose a gag order, preventing him from talking to the media. Baldoni, he said, was the one who had suffered harm to his reputation. My client is devastated financially and emotionally, Mr. Friedman told the court. Based on a best-selling novel by Colleen Hoover, It Ends With Us became a box office hit after it was released in August. But despite its financial success, rumors of a bitter feud between Baldoni and Lively began swirling before the film was even released. Both sides in the legal fights have given the public plenty to feast upon, Judge Lyman said on court in Monday. He said that if the case ended up being litigated in the press, he could be forced to move up a March 2026 trial date so that jurors do not become prejudiced against either of the defendants. The judge also said he would adopt a New York Bar Association Measure Rule 3.6 that bars lawyers from making statements publicly that could sway the outcome of a trial. Monday's hearing came after Baldoni filed an amended complaint against Lively, which included a 168-page timeline of events in the case. His team also launched a website with the new complaint, as well as other publicly available videos and text messages surrounding the case. Lively's lawyer brought up the website in court on Monday. Who created the website? Mr. Gottlieb asked. Who funded it? Mr. Gottlieb also took issue with outtakes Baldoni has released from a romantic scene in It Ends With Us, which he says proves that Lively's allegations of sexual harassment are unfounded. But Lively has responded by saying the footage of the pair filming a slow dance scene is damning and corroborates her claims.